Hey loves, for today's video is a quick tutorial on how to achieve these magazine covers. It could be any magazine cover of your choice. If you want to see how I achieve this, keep watching. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up PicsArt. If you don't have this app, make sure you download it, and then you want to press on the plus sign to choose a photo you want to use, and then you want to tap on tools, and then you tap on the crop icon for you to crop the photo. Now you want to select the IG story because this is the perfect size for it, and then you select the IG story, then you crop that, and then you apply. So the next thing, now you want to select sticker, and the next thing you want to type in Vogue on the search button, and then there's so many options you can choose from. So I decided to use this black because it goes with my outfit. I don't know. So you want to crop this, you want to resize this to the perfect size. Just resize it, make sure you take your time, resize it to the image, and then you tap on apply. So the next step now is to go ahead and save your picture. You have it, your magazine cover. So the next thing I'll be showing you guys now is to use other options, because there are so many options to choose from. There are so many colorful fonts here to use. So I'll be using a different font for this photo. This is a different photo. I'm just showing you guys that you have so many options to choose from. So these are the final results. They all came out looking so lovely, and do let me know what you think about this video, and let me know which one of these is your favorite. And please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.